So this is an exam briefing ready for AQA GCSE Physics Paper 1. Now there are 4 topics which are being assessed. We've got energy, electricity, the particle model and atomic physics. Now in the exam itself you have to attempt every single question. For students doing combined trilogy there are 70 marks and you have 1 hour 15 minutes, just like in your chemistry and biology exams you've already done. For students doing the triple science or separate physics, there are 100 marks available and you have 1 hour 45. Now in terms of equipment, in addition to your black pen and your calculator, you need to make sure that you do have a ruler, and my recommendation would be a clear 30cm ruler. It also says on the front of the exam that you can draw diagrams in pencil. So my advice would be, if you've drawn it in pencil and you're happy with your answer, you can then go over it in pen, and that means it's definitely going to be scanned in when they take your work in at the end and they send it out to the different people marking it. Now it's pretty much impossible to predict exactly which questions are going to come up, but my tips are, number 1, if you have a question about ammeters and voltmeters, you need to be very clear that the ammeter goes in series with a component and the voltmeter is in parallel to the component that we're testing if we're trying to measure that potential difference. So ammeters in series, voltmeters in parallel. And secondly, the thing I think you need to make sure you do have somewhere in your exam is about the fact that you need to repeat your results. And if you take repeated readings, that then allows you to spot anomalies and calculate a mean. And I suspect those things somewhere will get you a couple of marks across the whole paper. Apart from that though, I suspect by now you've done pretty much all the past papers that you can. If you do want to find more questions, then I have written practice papers for paper 1 and paper 2. You can download them in my physics online shop, and that means you then have not only the question paper, but you've got a mark scheme, you've got worked examples that you download, and there's also videos on my website, and this gives you access to even more questions, over 100 additional exam style questions. And that might help you prepare not only just for paper 1 but for paper 2 as well. Obviously there's going to be links beneath the video. Apart from that, I really hope it goes well. Good luck, you've got this, you've been working hard, and now within a couple of days your exam will be over, and then it's a case of looking forward to paper 2. Thank you.